Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting immediately. Open Settings and tap your name to access family sharing. Make sure you're the family organizer and family members are added. This is required for shared storage. Once done, open iCloud storage, select a plan like 200 GB or 2 TB, then tap Share with Family. You're granting access, not combining accounts. This keeps personal data private while pooling storage. Now that the plan is shared, move to the next setup step to have each member join the shared storage. Now assign and accept the share on each iPhone. You tell members to open Settings, tap their name, then iCloud manage storage and accept the shared plan. This links their backups and photos to the organizer's plan without merging accounts. Make sure everyone stays in the family sharing group and uses their Apple ID. That's how iCloud knows to apply the shared quota. Once members accept, they'll automatically use the plan for backups. Confirm individual settings for photos and app data to avoid surprises. Finish by verifying that each device lists the shared iCloud plan in settings under iCloud storage. This confirms the link. If someone still shows not using shared plan, sign out of their Apple ID and sign back in, then re-accept the shared plan. This refresh often fixes permission glitches. Make sure the organizer's billing is current, since expired payment methods can disable sharing. One key troubleshooting tip: update iOS to the latest version before retrying. Many syncing issues vanish after an update.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.